Have you had a long, stressful week or day? Try this technique. We're going to make a spiral. So start out just by grabbing a marker and start in the center. And don't worry about it being perfect. Wonky is better. Show the human hand here. Think of this spiral as a way to physically unwind the tension that is in your brain or in your body. I like to switch out to different markers, but just use whatever is in front of you. And don't be afraid to go off the page. It does not have to be perfect. We're just being present for a moment and creating that spiral until we're at the very edge of our page. I'm using an index card, but you can use whatever card you want. We're making some low effort art. Now we're going to grab a black marker and we're just going to add lines, just straight lines. You can start at the center or go out or just pick to start wherever feels right for you. And now we're going to start to relax and relieve some of that tension by adding those lines in between the rings. This is when you can really zone out. So take your time when you do this. I'm using black, but you could also use another color too. You can also explore a different kind of mark. Maybe you want to use dashes or circles, whatever feels right to you. We're just trying to be present with ourselves. And we are going to give this spiral a little bit more structure just by adding a simple scribble into something that looks, to make it look like something that looks intentional and finished with zero effort. By the time you finish this last ring, you have spent 3 minutes just being present, which is what this is all about, and hopefully you feel better. And hopefully you have unwind some of that tension that's in your body with all those to-do lists and all those things that we think that we have to get done that can't wait. Just take 5 minutes to do this little exercise, and I am certain that it will help you. Spirals start at a single point and grow, just like we can. I'll see you for the next technique. Thank you so much for being with me. And remember to make time for low effort art. And you don't have to be an artist in order to use creativity to make an impact in your life.